Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days you shall labor and do all your work. But the seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord your God. In it you shall not do any work, you or your son or your daughter, your male or your female servant, or your cattle or your sojourner who stays with you. For in 6 days the Lord made the heavens and the earth, the sea and all that is in them, and rested on the seventh day. Therefore the Lord blessed the Sabbath day and made it holy. The Sabbath was made for man. God needed no rest from his labors, but we certainly do. His provision of a time of rest to refresh ourselves and recuperate shows his intense love and concern for our well-being. As I recently read, our need for rest is like gravity. It just is. Our feelings and opinions cannot change it. Humans need rest. Animals need rest. The land needs rest. We may choose to ignore this need for a while, but gravity always wins. Stuart Briscoe said it this way: if you keep the violin strung at concert pitch all the time, it will break. People can't keep going full tilt, needle-pegged, operating at the red line 7 days a week after week, month after month. Something's going to give. And the man who operates on a dead run continuously will find himself running dead in a short amount of time. I'm convinced that God has a bit of insight on his own creation. Don't you think that he knows a little something about what you and I really need? God ordained Sabbath rest for our refreshment. Rest is serious business to God. He insisted that even during the busiest of times, there needed to be rest. The Sabbath was God's gift to God's people. It was given as an act of grace. It allowed much-needed time to rest and refocus, and it reflected the condition of their spiritual relationship to God. It invites us, among much else, to remember, and remembering in a way that reminds us of who we are is the necessary groundwork for Sabbath practices.